Hello dear students, in previous lecture we already learnt about food chain and food web. Now let us see the energy pyramid. Now students, if you will observe the figure 7.3, one triangular shape diagram showed to you, and here some are the levels are arranged from base to top. So each level in the food chain is called the trophic level. A trophic level is the step at which the organism obtains its food in the chain. Energy gradually decreases from producer to top level. See in the figure. Herbivorous have producers. Carnivorous depends on herbivorous for their survival. Then omnivorous depend on carnivorous for their survival. An energy pyramid is a graphical representation showing the flow of energy at each trophic level in an ecosystem. Observe the figure 7.4. In this figure it shows the energy transfer that takes place at each trophic level. There are different levels of energy exchange in the food chain. The initial quantity of energy goes on decreasing at every level of energy exchange. Similarly, the number of organisms also decreases from the lowest level to the highest level. Now see in figure 7.4 that humans eats that fish. Fish eats that zooplanktons. Zooplanktons means what? It is small kind of aquatic animals, and these zooplankton depends that phytoplanktons. Phytoplanktons means what? It is aquatic animals, and these kinds of it is aquatic plants, and these kinds of plants prepare their own food. So the zooplanktons depend on that phytoplanktons, and this pattern of energy exchange in an ecosystem. So it is called as pyramid of energy. Now see that the amount of matter and energy gradually decreases from producer to top consumers. In that energy pyramid, it is diagrammatic representation showing how the energy travels up in a food chain through different trophic levels. Lindman in the year 1942 studied the food chain in flow of energy through it. Charles Elton in the year 1927 first proposed the concept of the ecological pyramid after his study of the tundra ecosystem of the Bear Island in England. Therefore, this pyramid is also known as Eltonian pyramid. The Indian Institute of Ecology and Environment was established in detail in the year 1980. This institute is involved mainly in research, training and arranging workshops and seminars related to ecology. It has published the International Encyclopedia of Ecology and Environment. Now see, the sun is the most important source of energy in any ecosystem. Green plants of the ecosystem store more of the solar energy in the form of food. We already know about that. Before reaching the decomposers, this energy is passed on from one trophic level to the next trophic level. Decomposers dissipate some amount of energy in the form of heat. However, no part of the energy ever returns to the sun. Hence, such a passage of energy is referred to as one-way transport. And the flow of energy in an ecosystem is always I-directional. Okay, now we will discuss that biogeochemical cycles in our next video. Thank you.